This is our only clue that'll lead us directly to the culprit. Molly, make sure to...
Okay, look, I kidnapped Baba. I'll find whose feather this is if it's the last thing I do.
I'll do the investigation. Wait, Molly!
This is yours, right? Tell me where Baba is.
What? My feathers are milky white. Thank you very much.
Then is it you? Let Baba go.
Oh my, how drab. Look at me, I'm gorgeous. I don't do brown.
Then who took Baba? Which bird is it?
Get a grip, Molly. You're not going to find Baba by harassing everyone. This feather is brown, so we should be questioning birds that are brown.
It's brown, all right, but it's way too big to have fallen off me. You're a lousy detective.
I didn't consider the size, did I? A bird that has brown feathers of this size and big enough to carry Baba off. Aha! I have a tingle in my nose. Hey, Eagle! Fess up! You took Baba, didn't you? Answer me.
Right color, right size, it's definitely you. I will avenge my friend Baba!
Molly, no, don't! You'll get hurt!
Huh? What? Why, you little...
Run for it! I'm so scared! Why did you have to attack him? I'm really dizzy right now. I'm terrified of heights.
Hey! Let us go! Let go!
Stop it! Cut it out! If he lets go of us now, we're goners! The mystery is solved!